Hello friends, welcome to Eduguru Odisha YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about some latest appointments of 2021 which are most important for your upcoming exams. So let's discuss. First, additional in charge of CBDT. CBDT is Central Board of Direct Tax, JB Mahapatra. Next, chairperson of the National Human Rights Commission, NHRC, the most important. A.K. Mishra. A.K. Mishra is the chairperson of National Human Rights Commission. Then first female DG, Director General of World Trade Organization, Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala. She belongs from Nigeria. Then R.S. Sodhi. R.S. Sodhi is board member of the International Dairy Federation. And R.S. Sodhi is also CEO of Amul company. Then two most important appointments from Israel President and Israel Prime Minister. First, President of Israel is Isaac Herzog. Next, Israel Prime Minister is most important, Naftali Bennett. You must have heard about him. Who is succeeded Benjamin Netanyahu. Okay. Next, Saeed Ibrahim Raisi, President of Iran. हसन रूहानी इनको परे आमर होइछन कि सईद इब्राहिम रईसी. नेक्स्ट, कुलदीप सिंह, द डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ नेशनल इन्वेस्टिगेशन एजेंसी. दिस इज मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट, NIA. तो डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ NIA इज कुलदीप सिंह, प्रेजेंट DG of NIA कुलदीप सिंह. मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट, so please remember all these. Then chairperson of the WHO executive board, okay, Patrick Amoth. Next, deputy governor of RBI, T Ravi Shankar. Chogul Kokala Maiga, prime minister of Mali. Next, CEO of Ferrari, most important, Benedetto Vigna. Next, brand ambassador Puma Motorsports of India, Yuvraj Singh. Sachin Tendulkar is brand ambassador of On Academy. Okay. Greg Breckley, chairperson of ICC chairman Greg Breckley. Next, special director of the Central Bureau of Investigation, CBI. The special director, who is the special director of Central Board of Bureau of Investigation? He is Pravin Sinha. Okay. Next, grievances officer for India by Twitter. Twitter, then WhatsApp. Twitter के विनय प्रकाश. And Paresh B. Lal is the grievance officer for the India by WhatsApp. Okay, please remember, for Twitter Vinay Prakash, for WhatsApp Paresh B. Lal. जोश के कट्टूर, एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर ऑफ RBI है ना. एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर ऑफ RBI इज जोश के कट्टूर. नेक्स्ट, न्यू चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ आसाम H. Vishwa Sharma, succeeded Sarbanand Sonowal. H. Vishwa Sharma is the present CM of Assam. New CM of Tamil Nadu, M.K. Stalin. New CM of Puducherry, N. Rangaswamy. Okay. Neera Tanden, the senior advisor to US President Joe Biden. This is Indian origin. The Indian advisor to US President Joe Biden, who Neera Tanden. Narendra Batra, President of International Hockey Federation. This is most important. IHC today's Narendra Batra is President of International Hockey Federation. All sports appointments are very much important because now Tokyo 2020 Olympic is going. David Barnea, head of Israel spy agency Mossad. ଆଉ ଫିଆମି ନୋଆମି ମତାଫା, first female prime minister of Samoa. Then Bashar Hafiz al-Assad, president of Syria. These are all present appointments. Okay. Squadron leader Asrita V. Olti, first female fighter test engineer in the Indian Air Force. Okay, first female flight test engineer in the Indian Air Force. So squadron leader Asrita V. Olti. Then Lawrence Descartes, first female president of Musée du Louvre, France. Edward Heger, prime minister of Slovakia. Recent appointments. Sabir Khandwala, BCCI anti-corruption department chief. President of Vietnam Nguyen Xuan Phuc. Prime Minister of Vietnam, this is President of Vietnam, then Prime Minister of Vietnam. Okay, remember all this. Siddharth Lokzam, Director General of NADA, Anti-Doping Agency. Sushil Chandra, Chief Election Commissioner of India. Who? Sushil Chandra is Chief Election Commissioner. Then another two only Election Commissioner 2, Chief Election Commissioner 1, 2 plus 1, total 3 Election Commissioner of India. Who is Chief Election Commissioner? This is Sushil Chandra. Only Election Commissioner of India replaces who replaces Ashok Lavasa is Anup Chandra Pandey. Okay, Anup Chandra Pandey. Then President of Cuba, who? Miguel Diaz Canel. Kim Bo Kyum, Prime Minister of South Korea. South Korea के Kim Bo Kyum के. Rohit Sharma was brand ambassador of Glenmark Pharmaceuticals. Glenmark. Okay, remember Rohit Sharma is the brand ambassador of Glenmark Pharmaceuticals. First woman president of Tanzania, Samia Suluhu Hassan. CEO of Ayushman Bharat, this is most important, Ayushman Bharat scheme. CEO of Ayushman Bharat scheme is RS Sharma. Okay.